kids! Today we're going to learn about the alphabet, colors, and some cool new words using these cool popsicle toys. Do you like popsicles? I think they're yummy. Did you know popsicle in Spanish is paleta? Try saying that. Paleta. Very good. Using our popsicles, or paletas, let's look at the letters of the alphabet. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now that we've looked at all the letters of the alphabet, let's look at all the colors we see here. Let's see, what color should we start with? How about this one? It's the letter E, and it's on a blue popsicle. Do you see any other popsicles here that are blue? Yeah, they're all right here. We got the I, the M, and the U. See, here are all of our blue popsicles. Let's take them away now. Let's move on to the next color. Let's do the letter B. What color is the popsicle this letter B is on? Yeah, it's purple. Do you see any other popsicles here that are purple? Is this one purple? No, that one is brown. Guess we better put it back. Where are the purple popsicles? Yeah, here they are. We got the J, the O, and the Y. Here are all of our purple popsicles. Let's take them away. Now let's do this one, the letter D. What color is this? Yeah, it's pink. Do you see any other popsicles here that are pink? Yeah, they're right here. We got the L and the W. Here's all the pink popsicles. Let's take them all away. Okay, what color should we do next? How about this one, the letter C. What color is this popsicle? Yeah, it's orange. Do you see any other popsicles here that are orange? How about this one? Is this one orange? No, this one is green. Better try again. Do you see the orange popsicles? Yeah, here they are. Here's the F, the P, and the S. We got all of our orange popsicles. Let's take them away. Which color should we do next? How about the letter A? What color is this popsicle? Yeah, it's red. Do you see any other popsicles here that are red? Yeah, they're right here. Here's the H, the R, and the V. Got all the red popsicles. Let's take them away. All right, we're running out of colors here. Which one should we do next? How about the letter G? What color is on this popsicle? Yeah, it's brown. Do you see any other popsicles here that are brown? Yep, you got it. Here's the N, the X, and the Z. That just leaves one more color, the color green. Let's gather them all up. we got a K, a Q, and a T. We got the green ones. Let's take them away. Now that we've separated all of the popsicles by color, let's learn some words that have all these letters in them. And guess what? There's a special surprise. All of our popsicles have words hidden underneath. Let's check it out. Starting with the brown letters. Here's the letter G. Let's see what word's underneath. It says guitar. G is for guitar. Do you know how to play the guitar? Here's the letter N. Let's see what's inside. It's a nest. N is for nest. Have you ever seen baby birds in a nest? Here's the letter X. Ooh, it's an X-ray. X is for X-ray. Have you ever gotten an X-ray done? Here's the last brown letter. It's Z. Let's see what's inside. It's a zebra. Z is for zebra. Have you ever seen a zebra at the zoo? Z is for zoo, too. What color should we do next? Let's try the blue letters. Here's the letter E. Let's see what we have in here. Ooh, it's an elephant. E is for elephant. Can you make an elephant noise? Here's the letter I. Let's see what we have. Ooh, it's an igloo. I is for igloo. Have you ever been inside of an igloo? Here's the letter M. Let's see what's inside. It's the moon. M is for moon. Do you ever look at the moon in the sky at night? And our last blue popsicle is the letter U. Let's see what it is. It's an umbrella. U is for umbrella. Do you like to use an umbrella when it rains? Okay, time for our next color. Let's try the color purple. Here's our first purple letter, the letter B. Let's see what's inside. Ooh, it's a beautiful butterfly. B is for butterfly. Can you flap your wings like a butterfly? Up next is the letter J. Let's see what this one is. It's a jellyfish. J is for jellyfish. Jellyfish look pretty cool, but I wouldn't touch them if I were you. They sting. Here's the letter O. Let's see what this is. It's an octopus. O is for octopus. Do you know how many arms an octopus has? Yeah, 8. And here's the letter Y. Let's see what this is. It's a yo-yo. Y is for yo-yo. Have you ever played with a yo-yo? Okay, what's our next color? Let's do the color red. Here's our red letter A. Let's see what it is. It's an apple. A is for apple. Which do you like better, red apples or green apples? Here's the letter H. Let's see what this one is. It's a horse. H is for horse. Can you neigh like a horse? R is up next. Let's see what this one is. Wow, it's a robot. R is for robot. Can you walk and talk like a robot? And here's the letter V. Let's see what this one is. Ooh, it's a volcano. V is for volcano. Volcanoes shoot out lava. Have you ever played the game The Floor is Lava? Time for our next color. Let's do the color orange. Here's the letter C. Let's see what we have here. Aw, it's a cat. C is for cat. Can you meow like a cat? The letter F is next. Let's see what we have. Oh, cool. It's a fish. F is for fish. Can you do a fish face? Here's the letter S. Let's see what this one is. Ooh, it's the sun. S is for sun. Is it a sunny day where you are? And here we have the letter P. Let's see what it is. Yum, it's a pineapple. P is for pineapple. Do you like to eat pineapple? I think they're yummy. Okay, only 2 colors left. Let's do the green ones next. Here's the letter K. Let's see what it is. Ooh, it's a kite. K is for kite. Have you ever flown a kite when it's windy? Next is the letter Q. Let's see what we have. Oh wow, it's a question mark. Q is for question. I've been asking you a lot of questions in this video. Do you like to ask your teacher questions at school? And here's the letter T. Let's see what this one is. Ooh, it's a turtle. T is for turtle. Can you move slow like a turtle? Last but not least, let's do the pink letters. Here's the letter D. Let's see what this one is. It's a donut. D is for donut. What's your favorite kind of donut? Mine is chocolate. Here's the letter L. What's this one gonna be? It's a lamp. L is for lamp. Do you use a lamp in your house? And last but not least is the letter W. Let's see what's inside this one. Wow, it's a watermelon. W is for watermelon. Do you like eating watermelon in the summertime? Oh no! All the letters are out of order. We better put them all back. All right, we did it. All this talk about popsicles sure is making me hungry. Thanks so much for playing with me today. I had a great time. Hope to see you again next time. Bye.